Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, don't stall. First, confirm your iOS version and that you're on the Wi-Fi network you want to change. Once done, open Settings and tap Wi-Fi, then tap the small I next to the active network. Decide whether to set DNS under Configure DNS for that network or install a private DNS profile for broader control. Make this choice now, because the next steps differ slightly depending on that selection. Now you act. If you chose per network, tap Configure DNS, switch to manual, remove old servers, and add desired DNS IPs like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. The first address is used first. If you chose profile installation, create a minimal DNS payload in Apple Configurator or your MDM, then install it and allow the changes. Make sure to remove duplicates and keep a clear primary and fallback. Finish strongly. Test DNS by loading several sites and using a DNS lookup app. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi off and on to flush caches. If you need settings to persist, install the DNS profile or push via MDM so reboots don't revert changes. If things go wrong, check that each DNS entry is a valid IP, ensure no active VPN is overriding DNS, and restart the device. That single step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.